With the purchase of our first sawmill back in the late 1970s that started it all, we have grown to a full production mill where we turn out quality materials from logs that we harvest ourselves. Old South Barns has a computerized milling operation that produces all the timbers that we use in our barn projects. We also custom cut material for customers who are looking for that rough sawn feel for their own building projects. Our Old South barn timbers have found their way throughout the South, from Tennessee and the Carolinas down through Georgia and into Florida. Far beyond our imagination, our classic southern yellow pine is featured in small to large buildings as the primary focal point on most. Give us a call today at Old South Barns for all of your sawmill needs.